I'm just sitting on my couch because I didn't film an intro to this video. And am I wearing the same outfit that I will be wearing in whatever, I don't know which order I'm posting these videos in. So I'm either wearing the same outfit that I posted last video or that I'm the next video. Does that make sense? I am going to teach you in this video how to make this hanging plant wall behind me. It's super cute. I love it. I'm obsessed. And I did it by myself, okay? I didn't really have any help. I mean, yeah, like even using the power drill was myself. My brother was gone. He said, please do not use the power drill. And I said, okay. And then I got so impatient, I just did it. So I'm pretty proud. Anyway, that's all. That's all I've got for you. That's all I've got for you. Okay, so this is where I'm going to be hanging the plants. I just think it's going to be so cute. And so first I had to get my supplies. I got potting mix, the plants, some nylon rope, and some of those little C-hooks, and some pots. Okay, hi. You're probably wondering why we're outside. It's just because that's where the best lighting is. So that's why we're here. Okay, so to do these hanging pots, I don't want all of them to be this ugly color, but one of them I want to be this ugly color, mostly because I don't want to paint them all. But so we're gonna paint them. So I kind of paint them kind of like this. I did these once, and you add just baking soda into the paint, and it kind of makes it look like pottery. So I don't have a ton of colors. Hi Rufus. I only have what's left, but I think I'm just gonna use those and paint these really fast. And yeah, that's the tea. So let's get started. Okay, that's me mixing the baking soda with the paint and painting. You kind of want it to be like more of a thick consistency, kind of like this. It's really cool, and then you just paint it on so messy. Like I just do V's, I just go crazy, there is no method. And to that I say, let's drink. Cheers. And some more painting. This is my brother talking to me, painting again. And here are the final products. I love them. Sorry about it. Okay, so I knew I wanted to hang at least like 6, and I'm measuring to the end of this little wallpaper notch because that's where I wanted the last one to be, and then I just divided that whole length by 6 and started marking with a pencil in my mouth because there was no other way. So that's what I'm doing here, and then I went on the beam and marked halfway and just like kind of connected all those dots. And these are the C-hooks I'll be using, and this is the little screw I'll be using to make a tinier hole. Okay, so I'm not showing my face because I don't have makeup on today, but I don't know if this is the right way to do this. I have a power drill. My brother told me that if you make a smaller screw hole with this, that it'll be easier for this one to go in by hand. So we're gonna try that. Okay, so this is me trying to use a power drill. It actually wasn't that hard. I was kind of nervous at first just because I usually do them crooked or whatever, but it was actually pretty easy, and that's me being so excited and so stoked that I did it. I started with the second one because I forgot that there's a first one. There's really no other reason. So that's me just screwing in the little screw, taking it out, and then putting in the C-hook by hand. So this is my friend Rachel. She's just there because we were just talking about life. And this is me using that nylon cord. I was originally gonna drill holes and do that into the pots, but it seemed pretty difficult. So I decided to just do a little 4-way, little tie thing. That's my cat Rufus. He's adorable, I'm obsessed. And yeah, it ended up working pretty well. This is me potting the flowers. If you don't know how to pot a flower, I don't know, Google it. It's pretty easy, you just put the dirt in. So that's what we're doing here, and talking again. And this is the final product. Guys, I cannot tell you how happy I am with this. I've been wanting to do this since I moved into this house, and I just think it's so cute. It's so adorable. I can't wait till the plants grow. I love it. Like, this is it in the daylight because I wanted you to see just how adorable it is. Like, are you kidding? And as the plants grow, I'll probably tie knots in that macrame just to make them higher, so it's like an actual hanging plant wall eventually. But I just love it. I love it. So here's the tea. I need you guys to like this video. I need you guys to share this video. I need you guys to subscribe to my channel, please. It's a button, like, you don't even have to watch my videos. Just press that subscribe button, wherever it is. I hope you like this video. This was super fun. I loved it. I think one of the next DIY projects I'm gonna do is either show you how I made that one mirror, or maybe I'll like organize my closet, but you should expect a bathroom renovation coming extremely soon. I'm funding these out of my own pocket. It's not like I'm making bank over here. But I have a really cool idea for my bathroom, so I'm super excited to get that moving. I spend most of my time in my tub, and so it's like, why is your bathroom so ugly? Oh, did I tell you guys to subscribe to my channel? Will you subscribe, please? Please.